Now, can you look at rotation? Rotation over the axis, I think it will be right. Do you want me to cover that very briefly? Then I can run this part. This is already known to us. Just demonstrate here. I'll click on reset and we'll go to XY view. Now there is a rotation option here. I'll just rotate about Z axis by 30 degrees. You see, U and V frame rotated by 30 degrees with respect to the Z axis. Z axis is coming towards south. Now, can we write the rotation matrix here? I rotated W with respect to x by theta angle. Okay. Now what is rotation matrix? Please help me with the last row. 0, 0, 0, 1. The last column.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Since we just rotated, the origins are coinciding. Can you write 0, 0, 0 again? Oh, good. Oh. Now, next immediate thing is W parallel to Z. Okay. Both are coming out of the plane. So, which column do we know in this? Last column. What will be the last column? Last column of the rotation matrix. 0, 0, 1. Because W is parallel to Z. Now, what are the components of U vector? Any vector, if I have some vector A, B, C vector, okay. Consider any vector. If you are measuring the inclination with respect to the positive x, components will always be A magnitude cos theta, A magnitude sin theta. Okay. Similarly for B, you can write it as B cos theta 2 and B sin theta 2. You need not have to worry about the sign. Why? Because cos theta sin theta will take care of the sign for you. Okay, please remember this. In case if you don't follow this approach, this is the best approach one can do. If you write any computer program, it should be generic. We can't have if else statements in the program to say if both are positive, both are negative, what to do. Okay, cos theta sin theta terms will automatically make sure that the coordinate what you get will be correct. Positive, negative, 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 like that. Okay, so if we consider this approach, what should be right here? Component of U vector. u cos theta. What is the magnitude of u? 1. Are you all on the same page? Is u 1? So can we write cos theta here? What is the y component of this vector? Sin theta. Does it have any component along the z vector? 0. Oh. Clear? Now, what is this angle? 90 plus. I will talk in terms of theta because that is just example. Here we will all write theta. Is this 90 plus theta? So what is the component that I should write here? Can I write V cos theta? V cos 90 plus theta. Very good. So if I write V cos 90 plus theta, V cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So can I write minus sin theta here? Okay. What will be here? Sin of 90 plus theta is cos theta. And this is what cos rotation about z axis. Now, if we observe here, this is the same diagram as what we have there. Let's look at the transformation matrix. What is there in the first column? 0.866, 0.5, 0. 0.866 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 2 by 2 is nothing but cos 30. So that is what we have rotated. 0.5 is half sin 30. 0. Second column there is a small minus here. Minus 0.5, 0.866, 0. Okay. So rotation over z axis when you do, the transformation which relates the small frame with respect to the big frame is given by this matrix. Rotation over z by theta. So similarly,